Oh, hi, I'm Ray, and we're looking at our sweet peas today. And the sweet peas, they smell fantastic. And when I walk into the polytunnel, it's such a nice delight. The polytunnel just smells of sweet peas. And these are nearly 6 foot tall, and this is only 2 plants, maybe 3 plants. And when they got so high, just nip the top off the plants, and then they've sent out lots of side shoots coming out, and then they've just grown, and they're just going crazily mad. So there's nothing like having a small bunch of sweet peas, and regular picking them produces more and more flowers. If the flowers are left on, they produce these pods similar to peas, and then they forge seeds in these pods, and they think their job's done. So once they form these pods, they need to be removed, unless we're saving the seeds for another day, and then we can let these dry off and collect the seeds. But while we're in flower, we need to be removing some of the flowers, and we can put those in a vase, and then we go around just checking all the pods, removing all the seed pods, and we go right down to the very end of the stem and remove. We go through all the whole plant. This could be nearly a daily task, removing all the pods. When this was planted back in October, there was some good compost in the ground, and sweet peas do like a good compost to be able to thrive and grow. I'm going through removing all these pods, and hopefully it will regrow again. I'm going to put these into a vase, and they're going to sit on the table so I can enjoy. So if we take a good look, these are the pods. We follow the stem right down to the end, and we snip and remove all the way down to the end. We go through all the way through, removing all these. So let me know in the comments, have you grown sweet peas? And what variety of sweet peas have you grown? Let me know in the comments. That'd be great. And also, please send me a like, as that all helps the YouTube algorithm. So, plenty more of these to cut. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, ring that bell, get notifications when I post some more. So, thank you very much. Cheers.